Hi, I'm Chloe Chin, and I am involved in the Marine Biology program here at BGSU. This is the Marine Lab, and there are important information that will be shared in these upcoming videos. A first thing to note is when you start working in the Marine Lab, you're going to want to pick up one of these lab manuals. This will discuss and give you information when working with the tanks and the animals that are in them. Also, you should subscribe to the Marine List. It is in the form of an email, and it helps to give you information about jobs and internships that are coming up for your future. There is also the Marine Biology Association, which you can get involved in here on campus. It is an organization run by students. They meet weekly, and they talk also about jobs and internships that you can be involved in. And they do fun games and activities that involve marine biology, and it's a good way to make some friends.
My name is Joshua White. I'm a student here at Bowling Green State University. I am actually currently the large system coordinator here in the lab, and this is our coordinator board. So right here on this board you will find the name, the head of what they do, and then their email and phone number. So that is how you get in contact with them if you have a problem with your tank or any questions that you just want to ask. You have the research coordinators right now, and you have the coral, large system, and head, and our outreach. They are all 1 year positions. And the rest of them, so your table coordinators and your closing, your health and safety, your sanitation, stockroom, they're all going to be 1 semester long. So how you become part of the Marine Lab is you get subscribed to the Marine List, which you will at the beginning of each semester, and our head coordinator will send out an email. And once you see that email, you click on it, and you'll be able to sign up for everything you want. You will have to have experience in what you want to do, but for start off, you can be the stockroom or health and safety. You can also be a closing coordinator, an open coordinator. And your table coordinators, you want to have a little bit of experience just so you know what you're doing when you talk to your students.